Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix version 360 box remote not working or responding, pairing, signal and reset tutorial. So fix 1 is check the remote batteries. Remove the battery cover, then take out both batteries. Inspect fresh batteries, making sure plus and minus ends match correctly. Test the remote again. Then reset the remote. Press the TV button and rewind button together, then hold both buttons down for 10 seconds. Release when the remote light flashes. Third fix is repair the remote. Stand close to the version 360 box, then press and hold the TV button and 0 button together. Then hold them until the LED light on the remote start flashing. Then follow the on-screen pairing instruction, then test all button once pairing is complete. Fourth one is restart the version 360 box. Turn off the TV and version 360 box, then unplug the box from the power outlet. Wait for 30 seconds, plug it back in and let it fully restart. Try the remote again. Thanks for watching.